Oh. This doesn't look good. I hate this chapter. Hey, it's that monkey we saw earlier in chapter 2. Oh my god. I like to call this chapter animal abuse. Not the suspicious peddler. So what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Mother 3 Cold Killers here. The last episode we completed chapter 2 and shit's hitting the fan in this episode. In this chapter. It's you. Oh my god, this guy's a complete dicky bag. Alright, monkey, listen up. If you don't do your job, this little girly monkey is as good as dead. Okay, what the fuck did I do? Do as you're supposed to do, and you'll get to have a nice, happy reunion later. Stand, both of you, and this girly monkey could wind up dead if you're not. Whoa, you are friggin' animal abuse. Animal abuse. Well, how you like it? Not very good. You tase me. That lovely thing around your neck is no ordinary color, dude. You freaking, that's not a lovely color if it shocks me. So advanced that even if you run to the ends of the desert, punishing you would still be a snap. Come to think of it, monkey, you don't have a name, do you? You're going to need one. I hope you can come up with something cute. Alright, stupid monkey Colby. Hey, that's my best friend, IRL. I'll say this once, so listen close. If you want to enjoy your little journey with me, just remember, just remember two things. You and I are buddies. To hell with that. Don't you dare try to run away from me. You always behave and act nice and friendly. Got that? Sure. Good boy. The second thing is to remember, never disobey my commands. If I say dance, you dance. If I say laugh, you laugh. It's that simple. Got it? I guess so. Do as I say and we'll both get through this without any hard feelings. Yeah. I can't wait to fight you in the later chapters. That's all I'm saying. Oh, why's that defiant look in your eyes? Dance. Okay. That's a little silly monkey dance. Just watching is embarrassing. I like this dance. It looks so funny. Just try a different dance. So yeah, we gotta use a D-pad to do these tricks. Backflip. I'm not aggro. Okay. Oh. I tried to use the D-pad for. Come on. Okay. There we go. You happy now, you motherfucker? No doubt everybody will believe our... No one didn't see that. Will believe our performance duo now. I won't... Hey! You cocksucker. It's like the third time. I really hate this chapter because the monkey gets so abused. Like, watch this. You just kicked me right in the face. You kicked Colby in the face. You cunt. Cocksucker, fucker, animal abusing cunt, dickbag, douchebag, cocksucker. You make me sad. Hey, you stupid monkey. You don't get to fuck you. You fucking... My god, you have no morals. Hey, you, quit sleeping on the job. Alright, listen. There's a white round building west of here. We're going there. You wound up being taken with facade. And level 1. And we have apologize, make, laugh, monkey mimic, and dance. Facade's pretty much one of the best non-playable party members to have. Hey, I saw everything. Be strong. Do it. I'm sure things will start going your way someday. To help that day come, you save your game now. Chapter 3, the animal abuse. Because let's just say Salsa, which is the default name of this monkey, gets abused a lot this episode, in this chapter. And also, we're level 1. We don't really do much, but Facade, he'll make battles over in a snap. So, yeah, just fight a couple of these dung beetles. Get some dung. Open this up. Get some beef jerky, although we are like low level. We don't need that overpowering crap. Bum rush, oh my god. And we're now level 2. And get some dung. So after you collected a nice amount of dung, which in this case is 2 dung, go talk to this beetle. I am want some dung. I don't have any dung to roll. So I'm not sure dung meal. So sad. If you ever happen to come across some dung, please bring it to me. I'll always be here, so. Give it dung, and you gain 5 experience. You keep bringing him in, I think you gain like 10 experience afterwards. Oh. Yeah. Vagina. Oh wow. You just ate that dung beetle. So I'll be right back after I gain enough dung to do stuff. Nice. More nut bread. Alright. After gaining a lot more dung, let's go bring him some dung. We'll get some experience. Kind of pretty useless, dung is, except for, this. Yes, right, some dung. Nice. Holy crap, I might make this episode short. I am feeling tired because I just made 3 episodes in a row. Well, it's my 3rd episode in a row, but whatever. So we are like level 5. That's nice. Oh my god, can't move up ahead. Got a luxury banana. Oh, that's a luxury banana. Hey, you stupid monkey. If you think you earned a luxury banana, you better think again. Give me that. Cunt. You gave up the luxury banana. Watch this. Haha. Seriously, this is like a really... Ooh, don't want to go out of there. This is a really dark mother game. Oh my god, more of this dung beetle shit. Holy crap, I'm tired. I woke up like 4 or 5 Christmas morning, and now it's like 12:51. Alright. I'll be 1 second. Well, you're not going to take my beef jerky? Whatever. Ugh. This guy's really hard. That's nice. Ah, great. We got, whatever the hell this thing is. Nice. Recommend training too. Because, you know. Oh, so that's why it smells like dung. Great. I felt strange. I'm getting Angel Banana. Let's do the moonwalk. There's so much dung that I don't want it. I am tired. I just took a capture of something. Whatever. This is what happens when I don't sleep. Oh man. You know what? I think I'm going to end the episode right here. Thank you guys for watching. I'm really tired. So I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.